Put the steak on your plate, call me the waiter. I may be bald with a taper or actually long hair, fuck a hater. I'll be gone a little later when the ganja, the smoke, and the vapor. So if you're trying to chill, I'm like, nah, I'll see you later. Unless you're trying to fuck shoddy, then we able. Where's all the action? Hit the party, make a mess, they gon' need a napkin. My crew blow through an O, we relaxing. Meanwhile, Petri spinning on the actress. Take it to the crib, chilling on my mattress. Low to the ground, but we hot in status. Getting this cash, killing my cabbage. I'm still above average. Now fill up my glass, bitch. Call me the captain, I'm running this bitch. What good is a gun? One without a clip. Hit an iceberg, now we sinking the ship. Every man for himself. What you think of this is? Eager to kick it with people that listen. When I'm dining out with no ego to pissing. Passing tradition, down in the ladder. We kick it in my time, cause my time is better. Oh man. It keeps fucking up.
That was awesome. Do the other one.